thank you guys for being here. If there's any lesson to be learned, if anybody's questioning the power of art, have you been watching TV for the last couple days? Seriously. I mean, artists moves the world.
Hip hop is about organizing. It was community organizing in the South Bronx, and it's been community organizing around the world since the late 70s. So we have the power of hip hop.
Musicians as a group, and probably artists in general, are woefully underinsured. One of the biggest barriers to that is obviously cost. Another barrier is just a lack of understanding of the complexities of health insurance.
Insurance companies have gotten in the way of J Dilla's health care. And during his most critical hospital stay, we were faced with no coverage. So what you do then is, of course, you just sign your life away. So when Dilla passed, I started receiving bills, and I knew the first bill I received was over $240,000. And then there was another one. And then there was another one. And before it was over, I had 5 or 6 different bills that were well over $250,000 each.
Now, I'm sure everybody on this panel right now can probably agree that the system is broken as it stands.
That's basically what made me come to my senses and say I have to do something to help the matter at hand.
In the 20th century, they had to deal with the issues of 2 different water fountains, different bathrooms, different pools. That was the fight of the generation before us. With healthcare, the reality is that our people are literally dying in the streets of the richest country in the world. And so healthcare must be our battle. Healthcare must be our lunch counter moment for the 21st century.
One of the messages I would like to see, and I'm trying to help promote and really live, is wellness. And I don't think we have that in the hip hop community. We don't talk about wellness. You look at the products that are sponsored and promoted using hip hop, and it's alcohol, it's cigarettes, it's junk food, it's soft drinks, it's fast food. And we need to change that.
It is so important to advocate for your community, your family, your fan base is very important too if you're an artist who's lucky to have a position of influence in your community. And all of this needs to be articulated publicly and often.
Either you are at the table or you are on the menu. There's no in between. And when policy is going forth, either you shape policy or policy will shape you.
The people who are saying it's too complicated are the people who made the problem. The people can determine the discourse, and we can shape that discourse. Let's keep organizing, and let's keep the hip hop nonstop.